How to adjust the language on your Facebook account from your smartphone. So let's go over to my phone on my computer where I take you through it. Hi, my name is Marlon the Cloud and you on Show Me How. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the language of your Facebook profile. So we're on my computer screen now. So we're going to hover over the app of Facebook here, tap on it, and you'll be taken over to your Facebook profile. Now, in order to access the section where you can edit the language, saying that your mother tongue isn't English, you're going to hover over the three dots at the top right here under the messenger bar. Three dots are parallel. You're going to tap on them and you'll be taken over to this interface. What you need to do, you're going to scroll down until you get to Settings and Privacy, which is here. Now after you get to this area, you have to tap on it. After tapping on it, you'll be taken over to the inner section. You're going to have Settings, Privacy, Shortcuts, Your Time on Facebook, Language. So you're going to hover over this and tap on Language. When you go to the section where it says Language, you'll have various languages: English, Arabic, Spanish, Urdu. It goes back to your language. You're going to scroll down to see the language that you best understand your Facebook account and you highly communicate through in. When you're done, you're going to exit from it by clicking back, exit, going back to your main profile, and that way you'll have the language adjusted to the language which you are happy to use on Facebook. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial. If you have any questions for me, feel free to give it to me in the comment section below. If you want me to produce a tutorial about something that you do not understand within any app, please put it in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and bye.